real price up front.
Guys, I don't even know why I red lights.
Then right.
Supposed to be studying. I just woke up from a nap. See, Bacardi. Well, guys, what do people do? Kuma lives. Because I've been getting DMs, people asking me to be live. Give me live good things. And guys, never free and we never get free, guys. We are live. Now you go free because I have to work. And then I'm just pub with PC. I'm supposed to be doing the schoolwork. If you're getting guys, wasn't seeing me. Yeah, so but I'll end up lying because I have nothing to say. I'm gonna end up like I literally have nothing to say. Like, please go live. Okay, I'll go live and then, or maybe I should just go live and then look at people staring at me. Understand? And it's Friday, guys. Other kids are outside. Can't wait for office is school in my can't wait to finish. Is the Zoom music in London on Friday? How am I being rich? I'm gonna stress this call, let me rich. I was supposed to be born into the world. You know, chauffeur. About this flower pen. I wish oh, guys. As guys, me is something is guys, akuhlanyi mina yo avoice call singahambisela aba bathu yahamba ingqondo klaro nawe kubuya imbonge ungahlala and ngivuka manje ngo-10 guys akungivuka manje ngo-10 sekuvaliwe wonke ama-shops and I have nothing to eat and I can't cook. Now I'm forced to eat this thing. I hate this thing. I wanna go back to it. You know, after my life, I'm guys, when I have nothing to say, I have nothing to say. I want to post there, I'm good. That's where I want to end. I just want to post videos and then just get over them quickly because sometimes I'm over it. This is my filter. This is my identity, basically. This is my brand. When I'm when I don't have this filter, I'm in business. Hey, Johnny Physic. Guys, I'm a different person. Like with TikTok, in person. Which is why I'm scared of being live or going live because I feel like I'm being too open. I'm showing myself cocoon. I don't know if you guys get me. I'm a person who doesn't like opening up or this I big and when I create videos, I basically sometimes don't even relate to the videos I create. I just post videos. I just post what I think because there are voices in my head. And guys, actually, there are literally voices in my head, and they are hilarious. And I think, basically, me now, I'm a decent person, and I mean business. What's all the team? Full team. Every time, what's all the time? Put on piggies. But I'm very sad. Are you serious, mommy now? Are you serious, guys? Mommy, no sando. Anything I see me, anything we. Okay, that don't notice that sound is funny. I saw you checking abuse it. I don't wanna lie. I was no man send away on Sunday content. Thank you, Pagate. Thank you so much. Maybe both. Maybe you love both. We are Jola, no. Guys, go again. So, what's in the Jola? Something true. Do I look like the type of Jola, or the type of Jola? What do I look like? Do I look like a type of Jola or a Jola? And guys, I lost my thing. Here's my stand. I have to buy a new one. They literally bought me a stand from Thailand, guys. Bang saying like a stand is a phone from Thailand. Ngenzani mina ngasilahla. The song, no, I just love the song, guys. I've loved this song. Kade ngayithanda. Trust me. Let me play this one. Guys, I just love music. I was attending Ingoma relate to you. Why should I remove the filter? No. I swear to God. May I listen to all type of music? Ngizeni gospel ngoba ngajoli. Ufuna ukuthini Zandi? Ngilalele ini. Yini engizoyilalela? Balalela nabantu abangajoli. Ne, and I do have alcohol, yes, Gucci. I decided to enjoy it. Imagine. I literally have wine. I think it's Bambeli wine. But I'm choosing to go umfundi today. Umfundo odd. Hi, I'm Solwa. Ubaniwe ni gama lakho. Mina I'm Zaki. Now Zandile ngisuke let's listen to these songs because ngiyajula. But honestly, guys, tell me if you were to look at me, do I look like a person ojolayo or ongajoli? Like if you were to actually judge me, do I look like a person who's dating or who's not dating? Oh guys, I love this song so much. But you're calling me job and I'm busy better than a job. He made the things that cannot make the things, the pots to be done. Now I'm saying, message anzima Nyajola umuntu omeso. nami ngayisola shem uyena umuntu mina angizomuntu mina nami nje ngingayisola ngitshola nami hey baphula bese ngokubulala yini manje yo Just ngiyajola and umuntu wami uyayisola guys. But I like soul because ngiyablockana. Mina if I like you, you don't see my TikTok. If I like you, I block you from my TikTok. That's how I know I like you. That's how I know I like you. Because I literally post this thing I relate to news. I'm posting on my ex, on my crush. So if I like you, I'll actually like try to hide those things from you. So oh my god, bang sendiri picture yung mtuana guys. And it's a baby girl. I wanna run to WhatsApp to reply. Bang sendiri picture yung mtuana. She's so cute. It's almost 11 and I'm going to look food. Because I'm trying to feel my face. Go see. I'm fail. Wait guys, I'm going to stay there. I'm going to pass my benzine on my life. Yeah, I'm going to so long. For sure, I'm so long now. I'm trying to zip. I unblock nje except blockiwe ahlale blockiwe unblock unblock ngazi guys uyengena kwamanye ama live la ngibona ukuthi bahlangene bangathuna bangatrina abanye bavula ama request ubusy nje futhi ngazo lezi khathi lezi nina ngathi guys lilana nini Kaya mina yo, I want to listen to my life. Unjani kwanele mama? Kaya kasi ngiyawathanda amantombazana. Yo, ubona abantu bakhona bayaxoxa babhizi. Ngetopic engazi nokuthi thini, buye kuthi ukuphoza kancane base baphelele ulayini. Some people are working overtime like TikTok. I come here to post what I post or watch what I watch and then leave. Ngiyafuna uzweze my life nama battles. But send poster. Give me. You give it. A bunch. Uzoshawa zeke ebo uba long as kangaka. Stock because you can't know my surname. Who knows my surname? I'm about to talk. So bekhuluma ngani ukusa vele bakhuluma ngani abantu babhorekile guys ishelanani nijole ayekho umuntu ojolayo happy emjoleni wakhe ngasuke zo live for no reason. Oziya nje no Khalifa baze bahlangana kuma live ebusuku ngaso simo sokuba single. Ngicabanga serious. Baze bahlangana baze bahlukana ngendaba yo full stop. Bahlangene kuwe lama live lawa ngo 1 AM. Ukuthi ubhizi empilweni ne relationship ehamba kahle nje. Usukungena kuma live akahlangene nawe anama group enenqwaba yabantu ngikhulume ngetopic yangaze emayelana nani ay awushem ngabe udlala ngathi nje umuntu ojolayo ukuthula ngabe udlala ngathi shem cela yona kumjolo wakhe was overcrowded noma mhlawumbe bayamziba babakuziba nkosami ungahlala shem to understand inhliziyo ishaya ngo reverse ithi up. Hey guys, oh buka ngixoxelele inkinga zenzonjolo ngizohleka. I love to laugh about lezo zinto ezikanjani because it's literally funny. Uthi uzostressa umuntu osemzini yabantu. Uzuzu nenkinga nje impela nje ustresswa umuntu osemzini yabantu. I love you too, Mamma Mia. Oh, Mamma Mia, Mama. I just remember that song. Thank you so much. So like it's now uyiqembu. Hey, mina ngacishe ngihamba noSomizi. I like girls who like girls. I like girls who like girls, but mangishola amantombazane. Guys, I don't know. I like girls. I know I like them, but I'm not sure about dating girls. But maybe one day I'm gonna have a speed and try it out, but I doubt. Sunguzelo rooms alana. Ufuna zami, mefuna zami rooms ngitshela ukuthi hayi ngikhona. Objolayo bamjolela shem, and bamjolela yazi. Maragas, isikhathi sakhe sokwazi sokubika. Uma wengane. Bese ngelikani impahla, ayile kumele understand ke wena lapha, awuna choice. That's why I'm here. Bese ngelingani impahla and awuna choice, kumele understand. Kuyenzeka ukuthi uphatheke kabi uhlezi uhleka. Mina guys angekho right ekhanda. Ngenxa yesikhathi nje anginazo nje isikhathi sokuphatheka kabi. Yabona ukungihlekile guys nayo into yangihlekisa yazi. Yonke into vele? No. Ngiyadlala mina hlezi ngihleka. Mina ngitshela mangikhala ngiba offline nje indaba TikTok angingeni. Because ukusani ngiyahlala nevlog engapost abo lapho ngisuke ngingahleki ngisuke ingekho into engihlekisayo. My content ngihlekisayo ngiyangibona ke la ku TikTok. That's why izocabanga ukuthi ngihlezi ngihleka, otherwise no. Kodwa ke mina ngithi ngiyahlekisa. Unjani olwami? How are you doing? Economies ikuphi guys isikophi sihlezi ngiyibona online. Ngicela ningiphi location yakhona. Ngihambe ngiyozinikela mina self ngingaze nje ngihambiswe. Ngaze ngihambise. Ukuthi izinto ezingakho iziphi izinto ezingakho. Guys, umjolo uyakha. Umjolo is a need. Umjolo is a good thing. If you get a chance to fall in love. Fola oh. Yabona nje sekuyahleka le ndaba lokuthi ngiyafola vele. Ecebo lethu nakho ngifuna besikophizi. Bengibambe ngamashida amhlophe bengifase ngamabhandi. Bengifase ngamabhandi bengihlayise phe kumbhede nje ngihlale ngithele. Lokhu ngithele. Ubalo Bamlanda fresh umsolo uthanda ukuqonywa yini guys. Oh. Angeke nje sidliwe pirates wesikhohlwa ke lapho. Khohlwa nje ngeke izindliwe nje. Oh. Ngiphuzela itiye lami. And actually 4 minutes kumele ngibhale la. This song guys. Khona leka asingidlalele enye emnandi. What I can make a good DJ. Ngofunda kahle kusasa funda manje. Yabo mina kwathi kwaraphasi ngiyafunda. Bose ngikhohliwe lengoma. mina guys ngiphethe music omnandi ngiphethe izinto ezi-right kumele ngibo DJ ngifundela ukubhala illegal applications and wesiphathi imodule engasiyo ngishiya kwi-faculty yethu guys izinto abasenza zona like I'm literally studying imodule yakalo angazi ngithi ngifuna ukwenza lo angazi ngihlanganise lutho nelo mara sharp fade ngeke nje ipiracy idliwe nkosi yami khohlwa zipho ngiyona le biscopies nganelo langa like ihlanganaphi dog like ihlanganaphi and akusiyo leyo khona enye eyaka College of Business and Economics.
My work is easy because I use ClickUp. Here's how I keep track of all my
like abo kule cause le
ayikitenge
ku-basically
next I set a priority and a due date
mathematics
to keep things on track.
Law
I create custom statuses to
finance
organize my progress exactly how I want it.
like why
I like to add the action field so AI can show me the next steps.
Ona nje behlame nje angithanda akulala bengingalalanga nje izolo
ngipractice presentation from personal projects to running a multi-billion-dollar company. Click the link below to create your
ngizokuthosa ngamabox la ka game khona angazi lutho ngolundi izwana nathi ngoma mnandi guys angiyazi ke ledlalayo yini manje ledlala lana ngifuna udlalela le Awoma so badlala lezi ku groove ngingafika mina ngiyantswel nasi ngaqala ku groove. No I'm worried who's this Zipho uyabona manje usangistock manje icalculus mina yangiqeqa ke nje mina ngaphindi first year ngenxa ye-calculus lapho ngangiyifundisile i-maths yase-high school ukuthi ngiqualify ukuthi ngifike la majika ngazofunda i-calculus i-maths ebhala ungena-calculator yangiqeqa claro yena uzipho wangifunda naye eklasini no there's no way ikho umuntu wazulundi kanje economics ne-engineering ngiyakutshela we guys aniyazi lesibhekene nayo wenzi yazi abantu abakwa-science abenza o-computer science no-actual science benza ama-module ayi-4 yezwani ngesimester awu-3 ama-maths bese kube i-comsci noma i-actual science thina senza lawo ma-module awu-3 plus ama-module awu-4 aka-engineering total of 7 modules ngathi besafarisha bengakhona ukuphefumula ngiphefumula kanjani mina ngenza ama-module awu-3 omunye umuntu laza wami awu-4 bese kuthiwa ngizofunctiona kahle la ekhanda ngiphase yonke leyo nto leyo base bengafundi nje labafunda ne-degree wathi siyacela ngiyazisola nje hi Mageba unjani how you doing like bayafeyila kwabona laba abenza o-comsci bayafeyila o-calculus beze beyidrop and okumnandi bona some of them not all of them some of them banama whathiwa yinambe imodule leyo khona we-drop uthathenye ama-electives bona banama-electives uyakhona ukudrop i-physics uthathe i-stats thina ukhona ukudrop i-physics awukhona ukudrop i-stats ucompulsory konke uyakwenza mina sengagowa ngaqeda bomanje angisagoyi nje sengihamba phezu kwawo umgo angisahambi ngaphansi kwawo awusangimile la yikho ngiyilive nje Tobeko unjani ngiyaphila nami Mageba umgo sengawujwayela shem ngiyadlala ujwayelekile lento le ejwayeleki at all Ofremba, what do you mean? Until I don't get you. You see, abayidwala also ngivele ngamukele nje sengivele ngithi I surrender. Today I was doing my final presentation in the project here. However, ngiyazama analyze ama slides ngithi ngiyazama ukuthi understand ukuthi ngizofika ngithini ebantwini. Ingqondo ithi nje. Oh, I'm going out of frame. And ngiyao frame banyani. Ngihamba so, ngiyakhuruza. Njengevura. Ngisokhona umjovo wangazi wesikole. Abekade ngawujova. Guys, phela compliment yami ingoma yami engidlalayo kade njani. Isho ukuthi you know music. Clock it. Running down. Running. Ooh. Running down. Oh. Running down. Oh. Ningabe no more guys complimentary music wami. Ow. I'd actually go to clubs. I won't be badala music law clubbing or white girl music. In manje lesicula la. Oyisiyaphela le ngoma. Bengaya mina kuma clubs nje. Bedlala nje Beyonce, Love is Wicked. Love is Wicked. Angijoyina phela Slim. Now vele ulo usukusuggestela ukuthi kumele ngikujoyinise la. Awujoyine phela club yami. Oh. Subona nge-screenshots ubani umangaliso egama lakhe ubani la TikTok guys lengoma edlalayo ngiyasho kodwa ukuthi owasolunda umuntu and uyangazi Clara. You know what course I'm doing, you know my full name. Uyena lo uthuzipho ne uyena ngiyasho sakwazi and if I was only for sure I've seen him before. Asabanga mangakana makhulu Banyak. Kali hle mina I take that thing serious yo. No one knows you Lundi. There's no way. You even know ukuthi lapha ku game khona sekunjanjani. Slim wasolundini umangaliso wasolundi. This is real for real. This is my face, Ginje Mina. For everyone who knows me from TikTok, this is how I look. This is my identity. This is my TikTok brand. Hope you get that. What 2021? No, call uso ngasolundi. Ngasongwakephi? Uzipho mengasiyo owasolundi wakephi? Mangaliso basically. Guys, ngasongwakephi, and I get this a lot. Ngasongwakephi. But I understand people abangasiyo base KZN ukuthi they only know Durban, but don't see KZN in Durban. Limpopo. That's nice. I might as well just go stay there. I'm a fan of petty people, by the way. I love them so much. Down. Nakusekuvela ubuso bami, nangisisokho. Ungenza nje nabo. Ngoba phela ngizama ukuba i-ghost. Normal music wami. Don't be jealous, guys. Don't be jealous. Ngike ngambona eGoli usisori Mangalisi. eGoli kephi? Silemu ufunda UJ. Ngambona lana. Silemu ngifunda isithombe sakhe lapha ku WhatsApp. Ngeke phela ngize ngicrash ingqondo yami kanje. That's what your brand is the dance. Yeah, definitely. But this filter is also part of the brand. But yeah, definitely my brand is the dance. That's a beam. Why anganazo? You don't take pictures. As I'm saying, and one day ngizoya la TikTok ngidelete wonke ama videos amangana films. Bese ngizala nani la. Oh, I think I remember Mbingelela. Ngoba sengiyacabanga. I'm literally cracking my head njengamanje. But angiyazi slimming akuthemba ukuthi ngitholela isithombe. Ngitholela ipicture yakhe. Send viewers. Hangwani. You hate me. Muslim is just being a girl's girl here. Ingoma yakho sis. I don't realize this. It's actually funny. We are shy better lab. Don't judge my music. You $10. Umuntu wami guys wasuke washeshe wazalwa yabo. Elakusiliphusa lakho ukuthi wazala kuqala yena. Kodwa nje yeah, ngisineyicosha. Lapho mangakazalwa ngaze ngizelwe la mina ngeke sayiqophetha ngale ngoma ngithi qophetha. Para que se lile itiki 8 ne. Sayo cosa cosa. No estamos. Hey guys, yo. Umuntu wama 75 guys, umuntu omncane kabi. Hi L, it's L. And a red, guys, I saw a red today. Cishe ngashona. Oma, lapho bengingedwa. What time is it here? What do you mean? Awukho South Africa? Hayibo guys, nathi le ngoma kanathi le
Grammarly helps
Khaleni
me
ke manje.
the best grades possible while depleting
Ngidlala
the
amaXhosa.
least amount of hours of my week. I'm Lauren Taylor. I'm a student in Future CMO, and I am a Grammarly user.
Ishumaya, we guys, ishumaya injani? Manje ishumaya ngiyazi lezi impahla ezimhlophe lamashethi lawa sola kimi.
Evolved. There's a platform, Grammarly, that
Laba kuthiwa kuthiwa amashumaya.
what to write about. I can
Ngoba music video ishumaya.
an outline of what I'm going to be writing over the next week or so.
Egqokwe wotira, ubona khumbulayo lamashethi lawa amade la
Maybe it's
ngemuva.
gotten a little stale, one of Grandma's best
So I'm going all right to go shumai.
protector. If I quote someone a little too closely, Grammarly can pull that article for me and help me
Guys,
pull the citation.
I think kumbuzela abanye abadate and was shy.
With writers in mind.
Oh,
with
ngwazi.
creators in mind, with communicators in mind.
Baba wami was 75.
Put your
No.
best foot forward. Grammarly's your go-to.
Hlapho ubhuti wami
Grammarly's
75.
free.
I'm talking ubhuti wami one in Vale. But my oldest brother is ulapho my 40s. Brother. Mina ngizalwa insizwa guys.
Who's the friend you turn to
Always
most?
11 ubaba wami. Always
Heartfelt
11.
thank you with
Imagine ukuthi ubaba wami is
Visit
75.
Cadbury.co.za
Always
and
11.
give a little thanks.
Baba mi 60s ngiyadlala kabudala kangako. Kodwa nje late 60s. Because ayikhile ngisaba njengegundwane guys. Kodwa boyixoxa. Ngaquleka lento leya. Iskin sayo lalela le ngoma guys. Wayenza uThixo yafihlakala. Neliswa unjani? How are you doing? Igwaragwara. Hey, kusamite sasifukuza lapha. Lesa sifuza igwaragwara yo. Incinga zomntu nendlela zakhe asiwa nguye angekusazi incinga zomntu nendlela zakhe ahamba ngazo kanti siseche wena okwakho uhamba kanjani kanti siseche wena okwakho uhamba kanjani singakobi amantombazana awekhona eNshlalandi yazi lobubuhlungu unihlambe ezonweni emaXhosa ngathi ndingumXhosa amaXhosa nendlela zakhe amaXhosa guys I ain't Xhosa I ain't kanti siseche wena okwakho you see when it comes to Xhosa music I'm a fan Zahara music wakhe top notch I just got a message from somebody that I have to check. Remember this. Ngifaka umaskandi. Ngicela ukundlalela ingoma yami yamaskandi engiyithandayo and then I want you guys to rate it out of 10. Okay? I know niyazi nonke because yatrenda. Ukuse I feel like I trendanga enough because kwa trenda letin. Ukajeni me release le ngoma le ngiyithandela ukuthi inama artist awu2 amaskandi engiwathandayo that I think they're actually proper. And ngithandela ukuthi futhi kodwa nje imnandi le ngoma le guys ngani rate ngani lalele ni rate so set life goal ndiku bless I love your content well guys future please I want to be blessed too I don't even understand how this thing works because angisumuntu ojwayele ukuba live ngintshele life goal esethwa phi isethwa kanjani isethwelani Now it makes sense. Maybe these people are making money through this thing yokuba life because I really don't understand why umuntu azoyeka ukulala ubuthongo bakhe avuka ebe live. Now it makes sense. They set ama goals and then they get blessed. But I'm gonna learn guys ukuthi asesenjani ama goals nani. Ngicela nilalele ingoma yami yamaskandi engiyithandayo. Yatrenda le ngoma guys akekho ngayazi. Kodwa ke ukuthi abantu basheshe baphuma kuyona cause bafocusa kulethi awungeke somathuba bayikhohlwa le. Guys, please listen to my favorite Maskandi song and rate it. Ngiyanicela. Okwamanje I'm still looking ukuthi i-live goal isethwa kanjani, but nina okwamanje lalelana cause ngiyabona future uyangiphaphamisa manje. And yes, do I really have to set the life goal? I think you can send gifts. Mara lalelana nathi ngoma kaGatsheni. Ngiyayazi futhi featuring umzukulu nomzukulu wangasekhaya. Ngiyanitshela. Yabo uluntu. Yeke lokuchaza. Ngini ngichaza ingoma cha ngifaki mara ningizwile ukuthi ngisho uthini. Yani rating ngoma. Khona ongazwani ne-patience la akekho patient uba fezokuhle ngifundisa i-patience. I used to relate nani kodwa nje le ngoma le guys like listen. Nasheshe nadlula kakhulu kule ngoma le guys, le ngoma imnandi. Oh Imkhumbule. Oh Nakuzorelate. Ngikhokhela Spotify. Ngideleted Spotify emotional space. I used to have it. Ngiyarelate. Khumbule bami. Thunyelwa inhliziyo yami dada. Ungabe nyathumela lavi uyibone nawe. Ukubi yathunyelwa inhliziyo yami. Ungabe nyathumela lavi uyibone nawe. Owaselangeni unjani mama? Usumbhobho. Awubhekisiwe nje kimi angirelate mina kule ngoma kodwa nje ngiyayithanda. Anginayo siyohlala esigangeni silalela umculo weZayoni. Yangihlekisa yodwa kule part. Ngabe nyathumela lapho uyibone. Bafana kancane mina ngihlale phansi ngibuka ibhola. I'm a lady, I'm a girl. Angisonto eZayoni mina. Ngithitha ngethawula lamabhinqa elibalabala. Future for blessing me with the rose. Thank you so much. Asapiwa Dlamini, how are you doing? Brenda Fast. Makuphela ngoma yami ngizodlala Brenda Fast. Ho, nakho-ke lalelani. We are rating this song, guys. Rate this song out of 6. Zumba Pepe Zumba. And ngicabanga nje ukuthi nje kufeaturishwe umzukulu le ngoma le. Angijwayele azilalela le ngoma ngihleli phansi. I actually listen to it when I'm in a good mood. Agayazi ngekayiboni ulaphi ngekayiboni indlela engimkhumbule ngayo agayazi uthando lwami nawe sisemhlabeni wothando sihle uthando lethu and I'm like Pirates vele ngiyalibuka phela Pirates umuntu wami nandi kuyofika nami anongikezela yena leli phesha nawe dali awu ndimtshele okumnandi kuyofika nami inject le ngoma lena emzini and magdala Pirates guys ngiyahlala ngithi hawu Zamuwani guys, I can't actually do it to save my life. Title Ithawula Lamabhinqa. By Ukacheni. Sengicela ngidlale uBrenda. Unjani kaMancinza? Guys, rate my song out of 10. Yibo. Nina. Ngicela ngidlale ingoma yami manje. And then Brenda Weekend. You don't come around. I hope you love. We're showing to Weekend specialty Weekend. Thank you so much. It's a 10 over 10. Thank you. You don't have a chance. How umangalis negative 2. You're actually fighting me. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. I knew it. You're just fighting me. So nice. Akelang pusa, pussy coke, no pussy juice, pussy coke, pussy juice. Oh, I'm no weekend. As much as I be a group, I'm not even sing about Coco Talentino with a son. No. No, not even. Not even. But guys, I'm in Osh. I can take it la. Yeah, Zaz, you're live. Angazi. ngibofuna asakhulume enkulu maphela le ngoma nje ngiyacima nami. Oh hey. Yes, I know I must be ready for you. By Friday night, yes, I know. I'm actually close to my goal. I wanted to make 10K. Close. Just a 10K, and I'm not a quitter. That's why I'm gonna double tap the screen. Then go for offer. Double tap the screen, guys. Thank you in advance. Thank you in advance. I don't wanna dance. We can special. I know we can special. I know we can special. I know we can special. I'm close. Hey, but you guys are sweethearts. Hello. You guys did that? Thank you so much. Oh, I made it to 10K, you guys. Thank you so much. Ngiyafuna ngiphase ne. Sengizofunda nini?
I think it's so cute.
Sengizophasela nini ke manje? So this is the last. Silala manje.
How you let your friends encourage you to try and talk to me, but let me stop you there. Before you speak.
My name is No.
My sign is
No.
My number is no.
You need to let it go. You need to let it go. You need to let it go. I'm telling
No. My name is
No.
My sign is
No.
My number is no.
Who's this?
Let it go.
Parang gumstalker la man.
Need to let it go.
Thank you, the boy RSA, for the rose.
You ain't running game. You cannot believe in every word. Call me beautiful, so original. Telling me I'm not like other girls. I was in my zone before you came along. Now I'm thinking maybe you should go. Blah blah blah. I be like now to the I to the no. All my ladies,
Listen up, if that boy ain't giving up, lick your lips and swing your hips, and all you gotta say is
my name is no. My sign is
No.
My number is
no. You need to let it go. You need to let it go. You need to let it go. Kuleo man, drop, bow, bow. Do my arms. You need to let it go.
Thank you in advance.
I don't wanna dance. I don't need your hands all over me. Blah, blah, blah.
Then I'ma get a man.
If I want a man, then I'ma get a man. Before you came along.
Don't want you to take this personal. Blah blah blah. I be like nah to the I to the no. All my ladies,
Listen up, if that boy ain't giving up, lick your lips and swing your hips, and all you gotta say is
my name is
Whoa.
no. My sign is no. My number is no.
But guys, jokes aside, I have to study. I'm writing on Monday. Let me go to sleep. Thank you so much for joining my live and people who stayed until now. But I have to leave. I've been here. Okay. What's this? Okay. Otherwise, let me love and leave you guys. Thank you so much. I'm gonna be live again next year. Next year. This is not my thing. By the way, good night. And when you stayed from the beginning until now, I stand you. Yeah. Otherwise, guys, bye. Bye. I'm just gonna stick to posting videos, otherwise this is not my thing. I love my sleep. I love to sleep. I love my sleep and my privacy. Bye guys, good night.